That's the food jig right there, guys. Welcome back. So we all have a sweet tooth that sometimes can break our pockets. Talk true, Jesus love. Now this morning we will be showing our very own Healthy Weekend Smile dessert. It's something that Talia loves a lot.
Yeah, I like purple.
She loves it, yes.
I like granola and yogurt and fruits.
So yeah, we're gonna make our own little healthy snack here. Do we see a video before, or are we just going to dive into it and make our own interpretations of? Let's dive into it. Okay, well, Tal, this is something that you've done already, so tell me how it goes.
I don't think I've actually done it before.
Let's talk about what we have though. We have blueberries.
Okay. Yeah, we have blueberries. We have yogurt. We have fresh fruits.
Yeah.
We have granola.
We have granola.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
And some fruits.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
So Debs, you're gonna jump in?
You tell me because you're the expert, now, sir. So we take up the spoon.
Yeah.
Do you go fruits first or do you go yogurt first?
Well, we can go yogurt.
Yeah?
Yogurt first.
All right, yogurt first.
Okay, we're gonna actually see a picture of it.
Oh, we're going to. Okay,
So
all right.
Yeah, yogurt.
That looks like a layer of yogurt.
Yeah, so it's a layer of yogurt.
Right.
Yeah.
A healthy layer of yogurt, and then a healthy layer of granola.
Yeah. And then we have granola.
Right. And then I think I saw one more layer of yogurt again. Mm-hmm. That's all?
Yeah.
All right, let me mix things up a little bit.
Make sure I see what I want.
Add some berries here, so.
Because every time some berries in the middle.
Yeah, don't it?
Yeah.
The spice to it.
That.
And then I just add the rest of the yogurt because when I put the spoon in, when I put it to the bottom of the bowl, I want to be able to take up everything, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
A little bit of everything. All right, and then I'm gonna add another layer of granola. Right on the tip of the top. And then the fruits go inside there.
Yeah.
Do you try to add like any kind of fruit?
You can add any fruit. I think you can add raspberries, strawberries.
Okay.
Anything really.
All right. Let me add on top of this some more berries. Okay. So thinly sliced.
So we're just adding all our yogurt in.
Yes.
Making it cover up to the side. Then we add final layer of granola.
See, comedy go food style in school.
And then after that, let's add our final set of fruits. Blueberries and some niceness. Oh, I love pineapples.
Locks. Oh, this look nice already. Hold on.
All right.
Oh, there you have it. Right. I wish you can't say overhead shot. Or there we go. There we go. There we go. Styled to perfection.
One thing with the binosh move fast.
As a mother with a child, you know you have to move quickly, right? I probably can add some more berries, right, Tal?
Yeah, you can add as much berries as you want.
There we go. All right. So we're adding some more berries there. And this is healthy because it's yogurt, and yogurt is actually very good for us. Mm-hmm. Blueberries are good. Granola is very good too. I don't know how many, nutrients them come with and not a label. So I don't know, right? I just know that it's healthy. That's all?
Yeah, all right. So
all right.
Here is mine.
Yeah, Tal. Yeah. That's nice. That looks so yummy.
Let me just put it at the front.
Oh, that looks so good.
There we go, guys.
That looks yummy.
Enough for fruits.
Holy for fruits.
Boy, look like me kill it with the yogurt, though, man.
No, you didn't. It wasn't so bad at all. But them said the proof of it is in the tasting. Yeah. The proof of this is in the tasting. So we know that the blueberry tastes good. Tell me, supposed to taste the entire thing. Hold on.
Let's dig in, guys.
All right.
Yeah.
Marvin, you're not getting any. Anyways, guys, we're going to go to a break in the meantime.
We're going to satisfy that sweet tooth.
Yes.
Yeah, without breaking the bank.
Healthy breakfast right here on Weekend Smile.
Of course, yeah.
Stay with us. If you have something in your fridge, you can try this. And tag us.
Yogurt.
Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Granola. Fruits. We soon come back. We soon come back. Yeah, don't break the bank. We soon come back.